20 quick tips to respect yourself. 1. Don't chase. If someone's not interested in you, move on. 2. No begging. Stand strong and confident. 3. Speak less. Only say what's necessary. 4. Confront disrespect. If someone disrespects you, address it right away. 5. Food fairness. Don't eat more from others than they do from you. 6. Visit less. If people don't visit you back, reduce your visits. 7. Invest in yourself. Focus on your own happiness. 8. Avoid gossip. Don't talk about others behind their backs. 9. Think before speaking. Your words greatly influence how you're seen. 10. Dress well. Your appearance matters. 11. Achieve goals. Stay busy with your ambitions. 12. Value time. Your time is precious. 13. Leave bad relationships. If you're not respected, walk away. 14. Spend on yourself. Treat yourself well. 15. Be scarce. Don't always be available.